Hello everyone, how are you all? Fine? Very good. So you all are prepared for your maths class now? Finished the work of previous class? Very good. So shall we begin with our maths work now? Great. So can anyone tell me what we have done in our previous class? Last class में या in the last video what ma'am has taught you? ma'am ने क्या सिखाया था आपको? We have done count and write. याद है आपको? Where we have counted the objects and we wrote the number. So what we are going to do today? It is something similar but in opposite way. Okay? Something similar लेकिन थोड़ा सा twist करके उसका थोड़ा सा opposite way में करेंगे हम. Okay? So can anyone tell me what is the day today? Yes, can anyone tell me? Today is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. So, can you recapitulate something related to Wednesday? Anything? Alphabet W. Yes. So, what is the sound of alphabet W? W. Remember we did in our English class? Yes, we did it. Alphabet W sound is W. And how we pronounce Wednesday? Wednesday. Again, the formation of your lips should be W. Wednesday. Okay? And what is the date today? Today is 29th July 2020. Again, I am saying 29th. Then July. The 7th is denoting July. And the year is 2020. And the day is Wednesday. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are going to begin with our maths class. And what we are going to do, in your previous class I taught you count and write. Remember, आपको मैम ने मान लीजिए मैम ने यहाँ पे trees draw करे थे, आपने उन्हें count करा, how many trees we had and you wrote the number, है ना? आज हम करेंगे count and draw. क्या करेंगे? Count and draw. Ab how we are going to do that? Now, ma'am will be writing some numbers here. Ma'am यहाँ पे कुछ numbers लिखेंगे. Previously ma'am ने pictures draw किए थे. आपने उन pictures को count करा और वो number लिखा. We did it in that way. Now ma'am is going to write some numbers. For example, if I write 3, then I write 7, then we have 2. Then I write 5 and then I write 9. So I have written these numbers. Let us see which all numbers I have written. 3, 7, 2, 5, 9. So I have written numbers in a random order. कोई order नहीं था, कोई भी number कहीं भी लिखा and I have written some numbers here. Clear? Now what we have to do? अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to see this number. What is this number? 3. अब हमें यहाँ पे 3 objects draw करने हैं. And those can be any objects. कोई भी जो आपको easily बनाने आते हो. I have taught you lot of pictures in your English work. You have learned ना? हमने हर alphabet से एक picture draw करना सीखा है. So you can draw those pictures also. Or if any other object or any other shape which you find easy for you, you can draw that here. So shall we begin with our work? Okay, let's start. So the first number is 3. So what we can do, we can take ball. You all know how to draw a ball. So we can draw 3 balls. How we are going to do that? Like this. 1, 2, 3. So how many balls we have drawn? 3 balls. Because the number given to us was 3 and we have drawn 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Clear everyone? So that is count. First count how many objects we want and then you have to draw those objects. So we have drawn them here. Previous was count and write. Now count and draw. Now we have 7. So what we can draw here? We can draw 7 smiley faces. So you all have a smiley face, a beautiful smiley face. So what we can do? We can draw 7 smiley faces here. Let's draw and count also. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the last 7th one. So what we are going to do? We are going to count again to see कि हमने कोई कम या ज़्यादा तो नहीं बनाया है. Either we have done more or less or the exact 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have made 7 smileys. Clear everyone? Okay. Now which number is this? Can you tell me? 2. So we can draw 2 trees here. Let us make 2 trees here. 1, 2. Done? So 1, 2, 2 trees. Okay. Now we have 5. What is this? 5. So what you can draw? We can draw 5 square. You all know how to make a square? Okay, I am going to draw 5 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have drawn 5 squares. Okay. Now we have 9 here. So what we can draw? Some picture which we can draw 9 pictures. Yes, can anyone tell me? We can draw 9 toffees, or we can draw candies, or we can draw chocobars, or we can draw leaves. Anything which we want to draw, we can draw. I am going to draw 9 lollipops here. Okay? So you all love to eat lollipops as well? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let us count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have drawn 9 lollipops. Clear? What is the meaning of count and draw? Count and draw is you are given these numbers, आपको numbers दिए हैं और इन numbers के equal objects आपको draw करने हैं. You are supposed to draw the objects equal to this given number. How it is different from count and write? Count and write और इसमें क्या difference है? In count and write, pictures are given, आपको number लिखना होता है. And in count and draw, number is given and you have to draw the pictures. Understood all? Now what is your work for today? So all of you please open your maths book and the page number is 82. So I'll just write down the page numbers here. Book page number 82 and 83. These two are your today's work. So what you have to do, I'll just show you in your book. So first open your book on page number 82 and see what we have to do there. So now my dear little ones, please open your number book 1. Okay, and the page number is 82. Today we are going to do work on page number 82. So open page number 82 and write down today's date, that is 29th of July 2020, and this is your classwork. Okay, so the question says draw the correct number of objects in each row. So I have told you what is count and draw. So what number is this? 5. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw 5 objects. So we can take leaf here. So I am going to draw 5 leaves like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this we have drawn 5 leaves here. Now the next number is 6. So what we are going to draw? How many objects we have to draw? 6 objects. So let us draw 6 trees here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the next number is 7. What is the next number we have? 7. So we are going to draw 7 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. Now we have 8 here. So what we can do? We can draw 8 smiles. So like this. 1. Then this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have drawn 8 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have been given number 9. Yes. So now what we have to do? We have to draw 9 objects. So what we can draw here? We can draw 9 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, write the missing number. So, you all know how to write missing number. 1, then comes 2, 3, 4, 5 is given, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, moving to the next one, page number 83. So, this is your homework for today. So, 29th July 2020 and this is your homework. So, what you have to do in this? Draw the correct number of marbles in each jar. So, you have been given a jar here. 1, 2, 3, 4 jars are given to you and the number is written here. So, I am doing 1 for you and then you have to do the 3 similar way. So, what number is written here? 6. So, what we are going to do? We are going to draw 6 marbles here. How we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this you have drawn 6 marbles here. Now the next one is 7. After that we have 8 and then we have 9. Clear? So you have to draw 7 marbles in this jar. Then here you have to draw 8 marbles. And in this jar you are supposed to draw 9 marbles. Clear? And again write the missing numbers. So as we have done here, similarly you are going to complete this series of by writing the missing number. This series of numbers, first you have to begin from 1 here and then complete this series of missing number. Clear? What do you have to do today? So page number 82 is your classwork and page number 83 is your today's homework. So class, my dear students, have you understood how you have to do today's classwork and today's homework both in your book? Complete your work and share picture with me. Again I am telling you, don't get confused between count and write and count and draw. आप words को देखिए, count का मतलब पहले गिनना है and if it is given write मतलब you have to write the numbers, and if it is given count and draw, ये count and draw है तो first thing is numbers दिए हुए हैं, you have to draw the objects, और अगर objects दिए हुए हैं so you have to count those objects and you have to write in the space provided. So this is the difference between count and write and count and draw. Clear? Practice these both the things. You have to practice them, both these topics, count and write also, count and draw also. And please keep revising your counting and practice them in your notebook. Clear everyone? Bye and get ready for the next class. Take care.